Bifold doors are a good alternative for doorways where space is limited. If you're looking for a space-saving alternative, consider installing bifold closet doors to enhance the look of your closets. First, remove the packaging. Next, open the hardware packaging. Get some screws. Next, position and install the track in the opening. Next, let's install a second track. Measure 1.5 inch on the top of track and mark the same measurement on the bottom of the jamb. It can also be at the center of the opening. Next, install the lower bracket in line with the overhead track. Next, let's install the top and bottom pivot pins. Place the door on the ground and gently tap in the top and bottom pivot pins into the holes. Make the necessary adjustments on the bottom pivot. Next, install the doors. Finally, install the door hardware. Great, check everything and the installation is finished. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and leave your comments below.